TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here for the Tiger Financial News Network noon update. The Dow is up 56 at 30,281 after a very serious decline yesterday, but it did come back very nicely to close just right on the 14-period exponential moving average. But what it did is, you remember that rising wedge that we've been talking about with a Chapman wave inside track repellent zone? Wow, was that a repellent zone? But wait, it went right through the uptrend support line, went to 29,881. Closed very nicely above it, and now we've gone to test not quite that trend line, but we're above the 14-period moving average, right on the green 9-period exponential moving average. And one of the reasons why I'm still bullish looking out is that those weekly charts, every one of the weekly charts that I'm looking at, really, the technicals have still remained very strong. So that's the Dow. The S&P right now, I'm going to be doing much more of this in my Tiger Technicians Hour coming up in a few minutes. Look at the S&P up 10 at 37.11, above the 14, but not above the 9-period moving average. I would have to say to you that by Friday's close, if the S&P is in the 3740s or higher, I would consider that a successful week. If it is below 3680, 3670, I'd say, this is a problem. You've got your consolidation continuing. The QQQ, which is the index 100, is up 93 cents at 310.25. It has gone, this is very interesting because it made that high yesterday and at 315.29, and then plunged sharply into the 305 area. Now it's at 310. But if I look at the weekly chart, that's a leg D, and here you're starting to see the technicals kind of mixed, but still pretty strong. And if you look at the IWM, the Russell 2000, hey, look at this. Very strong move today, up 1.26%. Up 2.44 at 195.94. This is the reason why we only wanted to take a little bit off the other day, because this is still one of the leaders in the sectors. We'll see how long this can last. On Friday, you want to see this up in the 197 or higher area, certainly not below 193. And at this particular point, it's at 195.96. And if you're looking at gold, gold has continued its move up. It is still up. It's 8 points up at 1954. This is a nice breakout in gold. We'll talk a lot more about it as soon as we get back for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Don't forget, my newsletter is called The Opening Call. Check it out. I think you'd be surprised how nicely we've been doing. Let's see if we can keep that up for 2021. That's going to be a challenge. I'll be back in a few minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Hope you can hold on. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.